Royal Uno, all-inclusive resort and spa. This stylish resort has a private beach on the Caribbean coast and a marina on the Nichupte Lagoon. It offers outdoor pools and elegant rooms and suites with panoramic views. Each air-conditioned room includes free Wi-Fi, flat-screen cable TV, a mini-bar and coffee maker. While suites also have a full kitchen. All include mahogany furniture and original artwork. All reservations include 2 complimentary tickets for the Cancun Mayan Museum. Transportation not included. Royal Uno offers free kayaks and sailing on the lagoon. There is an on-site tennis school and a water sports center offering PADI scuba diving courses. The Trade Winds restaurant serves international cuisine and has a takeaway counter. There is also a cafe, a lobby bar, a gym and various on-site shops. An express spa offering massages, facials or manicure is also available. Royal Uno is located in the Cancun Hotel Zone, 7.5 miles from Cancun Airport. A free shuttle connects the resort with sister resorts.